Beneath the dust of a forgotten warehouse lies a fallen king of electric speed, the Lucid Air Sapphire, a three-motor beast, now silent and broken. Front-end collision. The carbon fiber bodywork is shattered. We're bringing it home to the workshop for a total resurrection. This is where the magic happens. Precision meets raw power.
First, we assess the structural integrity of the aluminum frame. Removing the exclusive staggered aero wheels, they need serious refurbishment. Under the hood, the cooling systems are compromised. The cockpit is a mess, airbags deployed, leather torn. Isolating the 118 kilowatt-hour battery pack, safety is our priority.
Stripping the damaged exterior pieces, every clip is precision engineered. These micro-lens array headlights are worth thousands. Let's see if they're salvageable. The front subframe is slightly bent. We need to pull it straight. Precision frame straightening, millimeter by millimeter. Removing the 34-inch glass cockpit display. It's fragile and expensive.
The Sapphire-specific sports seats are coming out for deep cleaning. Stripped to the core, now we can see the true potential. Preparing the aluminum panels for a fresh coat of sapphire blue. Precision masking. We only want the paint where it belongs. Entering the pressurized paint booth. Environment is everything.
Applying the first layer of the iconic sapphire blue. Look at that pigment. It's deep, dark, and electric. Sealing the color with a high-gloss clear coat. Using IR lamps to cure the paint to a rock-hard finish. Fixing the curb rash on the magnesium wheels.
Back to the original matte black finish for the rims. The massive carbon ceramic brakes are being serviced. Fresh high-performance pads for maximum stopping power. 3 motors, 1,234 horsepower. Let's make sure they're perfect. Flushing the specialized cooling system for the stator.
Checking the silicon carbide inverters for any electrical faults. Installing new dampers tuned specifically for the Sapphire's weight. The steering must be razor sharp. Reinstalling the massive canopy glass, it's a work of art. Deep cleaning the Alcantara, we want it looking factory fresh. Mending the sapphire blue contrast stitching. The digital heart returns to the cabin. The retractable pilot panel is back in place. Reattaching the door cards with high-end audio speakers. The Alcantara wrapped wheel, the interface between man and machine.
Every wire, every sensor, triple-checked for perfection. Sliding the massive battery pack back into the chassis. The moment of truth. Let's see if she wakes up. The Lucid UI comes to life. Systems, nominal. Testing the light signature. Menacing and clean.
The single-piece rear light bar, perfection in red. Dialing in the track focus geometry. Compounding the new paint to remove any imperfections. Refining the finish for that deep, wet look. Protecting the sapphire blue with a layer of ceramic glass.
Buffing to a diamond shine. Fresh Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires ready for the track. Adding a subtle tint for privacy and heat rejection. The final touch, the sapphire emblem. All plastic trims restored, the frunk is ready for cargo. A glimpse of the power underneath. Snapping on the carbon fiber aero covers. Removing the last speck of dust. That new car smell restored. Testing the motorized charge port door.
Charging up for the first test drive. Downloading the latest performance maps. Seating the pads to the rotors. The carbon fiber ducktail, functional and beautiful. The flush door handles extending.
Testing the motorized mirrors. Installing the aerodynamic flat floor. The soft close trunk is working perfectly. The Lucid Scrept illuminated. Testing the nose lift system for speed bumps. Clear vision is essential for 200 miles per hour. Directing the airflow for maximum downforce. Checking the regen braking paddles. 21 speakers, Surreal Sound Pro. even the smallest details matter.
Activating the onboard security systems. Perfect leather, no scratches. Testing the magnetic mounts. Executive luxury in a 1,200 horsepower rocket. Dream Edition was great, but Sapphire is king.
Leaving the workshop for the first time. Engaging drive, the motors hum with anticipation. Silently gliding through the city streets. It's firm, but absorbs every bump with grace. Hard stop, the carbon ceramics are bitey.
Now it's time to see what she's really made of. Sapphire mode engaged. All systems go. Waiting for the green light. 0 to 60 in 1.89 seconds. The next snapping acceleration of 3 motors.
Handling like a supercar, weighing like a luxury sedan. 100, 150, she just keeps pulling. Back to the pits, perfection achieved. One last wipe for the cameras. Ambient lighting sets the mood for the drive home.
From a wreck in a barn to the fastest EV on Earth. 1,234 horsepower, 200 plus mph, zero compromise. The Lucid Air Sapphire, the ultimate restoration. Experience the future of electric performance. Subscribe for more Hyper EV restorations.